subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched two new affordable smartphones in India called Realme 8i and Realme 8s. Both of these devices share quite similar design, and among these two, the Realme 8s is slightly a higher variant with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Realme 8s 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 5GB by using internal storage, and there is 128GB of onboard storage, which is also expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Realme 8s supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.1 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W dart charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.5 by 74.8 by 8.8mm and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme 8s 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 19,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 13th in Universe Blue and Universe Purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme 8s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.